Hi, good morning, and welcome back to Human Gardener's Veranda Talk. Today, I will tell you a small story from a book called Lost Connections by Johann Hari. In this book, he is talking about an experience he had at Vietnam. One day, while he was coming back from to the hotel, he saw a big red apple in one of the fruit stalls. He bought that apple and went to his room. He washed it and started eating it. When he took the first bite, he felt a kind of a chemical taste filling his mouth. He ignored it and then had another bite. But then after that, he was not able to eat that apple, so he just left it. Next day by afternoon, he was feeling uncomfortable. He was feeling nausea and he also started vomiting. Fortunately, his guide was with him and he took him to the hospital. Even in the hospital, he was continuously vomiting. So doctors started observing him closely. But Johann was uncomfortable, so he requested the doctor to give him some medicine so that the vomiting will reduce. Doctor said no, it is not possible. They said for them, this vomiting is kind of a message which the body is giving them. From that vomiting, they are able to understand what the real disease is, what is the cause of this illness. So they said they have to wait before they give any medicine to Johann. After some time, they understood the reason and started giving him medicine, and in few hours, Johann was feeling better. As he was recovering, they asked him what he ate in the last couple of days. So he also mentioned about that apple. So they asked him whether he cleaned the apple before he ate it. And he said, of course, he washed it with the mineral water. They laughed and said it is not enough because these apples which are coming into the market are highly contaminated. And all these apples have a thin layer of toxin or poison covering it. So it is very important that you cut off the whole peel or peel that thin peel before you eat those apples. What I found interesting in this story, I found 2 points which are very interesting. The number one point is, don't you think like that apple, even our mind is covered with those thin layers of poisonous thoughts? Don't you think even our mind is contaminated with various thoughts? So, is it not wise on our part to clean our mind of these thoughts before we use them? Is it not necessary for us to peel off those poisonous, toxic thoughts which are covering our mind before we use them? And the second point, which was interesting for me, is the doctor said they will not administer any medicine immediately because they want to observe and find the reason for the real illness. The same way, when we are rushing to a doctor and a hospital, whenever we have an illness, whether it is a physical illness or a mental illness, is it good that we take medicines immediately and by taking the medicine suppress our illness, or will it be more wiser for us to allow that illness to manifest itself and then allow the doctor also to find out the real reason, listen to that message which our body is giving before they prescribe any medicine? So these are the two thoughts which I had after listening to this story. Friends, of course, you must have understood that every time it is not that taking an apple a day will keep always the doctor away. Till the time I have more stories for you, thank you very much.